Hi and welcome in this new video. Today we are making those yummy cutie pies topped with some chocolate on top. They are so good, so divine. They require few ingredients and they are made in under 20 minutes. So this is my first sweet treat recipe. I hope you guys gonna like it. You guys gonna make it as well at home. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with this cute and easy recipe. As always, I only share quick and easy, simple recipe with a minimal of ingredients. So for today's mini sweet pies, we need sesame seed. That's our first ingredient, and we need 2 really wrapped bananas. That's it. You don't need more than that. For the toppings, it's topping of your choice. I will show you what toppings I will put on top, but it's all to you. You can use jam, you can use jelly, you can use white chocolate, whatever you enjoy. So let's start this recipe now. And I forget to mention that I preheat my oven at 360. So before you start, just preheat your oven at 360. So in a bowl, I will peel off my really wrapped bananas. So if you guys have wrapped bananas at home, it's the right recipe for. Then with my hand blender, I'm gonna blend everything really well. I want the banana to be totally liquidy. So I take my time on this process to use my hand blender, but you can use whatever blender that you have. Then once I'm done, I put 1 cup of sesame seed on top, just like this. And with a spoon, I'm just gonna mix everything evenly, make sure that the banana and sesame seeds are really like combined together. And with a silicone pan, just like this, we're gonna put some inside, and we're gonna make holes in the middle. So just take like a muffin pan or whatever you have to make those cutie pies. So now it's time to fill up those silicone muffin pans with the mixture. So what I do, I really take my time. I put a little scoop in each holes, and then with my spoon I'm trying to put some of the mixture on the edges to get this pie shape. Here is a closer look to show you guys how it's supposed to look like little cups. So please take your time to put the mixture evenly on the edges in order to have a little hole in the middle to put your toppings inside. Finish to put everything in the mold. So the cutie pies are going in the oven at 360 for 20 minutes. And while they will be cooking, I'm just gonna make my topping. I will show you. I'm just gonna make a little chocolate sauce on top, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put on top, and you guys can put whatever you want. I already mold the pies and I let them cool down a little bit. So now it's time to add the toppings on it. So I'm just gonna show you how they look like. They look just like this, and I'm just gonna make a quick chocolate sauce, really quick and easy, and I'm gonna top them. So for my topping, I really went simple. I just had some yogurt. This is a full fat yogurt with a lot of probiotics inside. I really love that yogurt. And 2 little spoons of cacao powder. And I'm just gonna mix everything well to combine, but you guys can use Greek yogurt to make it higher protein, and instead of using cacao powder, you can also use your protein powder or collagen. Then I mix everything well, and I top over my little crust pie, just as you see in the video. Then I will let it set in the fridge for 30 minutes and it will be done to be enjoyed. Hope you like that video to make those cutie pies. You can make them at home at any time. It's just 2 ingredients. It's so simple and easy. Everybody can do them. For topping, you put whatever you want, as I say in the video already. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm coming with plenty of other recipes. Everything that I use is on the description box below. I have a free guide to teach you guys how to build a healthy plate so you can go check and download your copy. I also have my book and ebook available as well. So thank you, and I'm gonna end up this video here. Bye guys.